So this is 2TM from Tamworth.
Sunny, Friday, minimum of 3, top of 22, mostly sunny, and then Saturday, minimum of 6, top of 21, and mostly cloudy.
So, Tamworth. I live down here. This is the AM Broadcast Band. In my last video I had the RF gain down. Silly me. So there you go, Tamworth on the AM Broadcast Band. I'm getting AM broadcast stations from all over Australia. The entire band is just completely full.
Or go to timelock.com.au. Timelock fencing. Better.
I wonder where this
Need
is.
more use with unlimited daily kilometres? Asset Construction Hire. Need more Hilti, Milwaukee or Stilt tools? Asset Construction Hire. Need more air compressors? Asset Construction Hire. Need more excavators, wood chippers and bobcats? Asset Construction Hire. With more than 4,000 registered builders across Canberra, Asset Construction Hire.
Oh, there you go, Canberra, ACT.
Equipment, 25 Cessnock Street, Fishwick or assethire.com.au.
There you go. It's just nuts, getting from everywhere.
Kwame Kweyama is a...
So, I'll now just go high speed scan. You get the idea of just how many stations there are. Just nuts. The band is just chockers. Every allotment, nearly. Yeah. So on. Now I'll just jump down to there you go, an airport beacon. That's an S9, nearly. Hopefully the guy speaks. There's another one in the background there too. So just bear with me. And then we'll do a quick tune demo on and RX demo on 80 meters. Must be a switch mode supply in here. Ah, it's latched on. Ah, no one's saying anything now. How annoying. But yeah, there you go. And that's a Gippsland broadcaster. And right.
You didn't like it. And have reversed the decision. What do you make of it all?
Queensland. And you have actually written a book about the history of mercenaries, haven't you? I have. The book is called Mercenaries, The History of the Norm.
If you're all sorted and ready, you know what? So am I.
One reason is that the state itself struggles with its administrative abilities.
So yeah, she's absolutely insane. I'll jump up to 80 now. Now, I'm not sure if I'm tuned there, but that's showing, that's VK2WI. I've got high noise, but it's coming up to nearly an S9. Now, what I'll do is I'll quickly tune off and hang on. Oh yes, I'm already tuned. I'll just hit my tune button. You can see I've gone off tune. And there you go, tuned again. So, not a button, it's a knob, but it could be a button. Now, bear with me. What I'll quickly do now is I'll just jump into Kiwi SDR. I'll go into the most local SDR to me in Croydon and monitor the exact same station, VK2 Whiskey India, and see its signal strength. So we got about an S6 or under. Lots of noise there too. So S5, S6, and although I do have high noise on 80 right now, you can see it is coming up to the 9. Beautiful. 7.3, and thanks for watching.